What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today, I'm going to be doing an unboxing video for you guys on a brand new product that we brought on a couple months ago. This is Reavon, a ubr-x200 Blu-ray player. You guys know that the Blu-ray industry has kind of been in limbo the last couple years, ever since Oppo went out of business, and everybody's been buying those things up on eBay for 2-3 times what they actually are worth. Or you get a Samsung or Sony cheaper, not really super high-res Blu-ray player. And we've been selling those because we don't sell used equipment, only brand new here at Dreamedia with the full manufacturer warranty. Well, this came out, and actually it's a sister company of Hdmi, which you guys know, they make really good NASs and storage centers. Well, anyways, Kellen, our national sales director, he actually has this in his home. It's been tested. He loves it. It's producing a beautiful image and awesome audio decoding at high res. So I figured I'd make an unboxing video. We're using it in this home right here. This is we're doing a 7.4.6 Dolby Atmos system with an RS2000 and 150-inch 240 Stewart Cinescope screen. Bunch of cool stuff. So we wanted to make sure whenever he's watching his movies that he's maximizing the potential of his system, which is what we're going to be doing today. So I'm going to open this bad boy up, go over some of the quick little specs, show you what it looks like. Now, if you guys would like to purchase this product, we ship throughout the entire nation and would love the opportunity to earn your business, guys. We have a free consultation service where my guys will look at your space. We'll do a FaceTime, Zoom, walk through the entire thing. We're going to tailor a package that fits your exact needs and budget. Needs and budget, guys. We have all the industry manufacturers to choose from. All right, guys. Well, enough talking. Let's get into this unboxing. All right, welcome back, guys. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up and take a look. I'm really thrilled that we finally have a solution in the industry. Whenever Oppo went out of business, it was a real problem. We haven't had a good hi-fi Blu-ray solution to offer for a couple years now. All right, and whenever you guys purchase this product, also make sure to inquire about cabling. Cabling is extremely important, guys. When you're purchasing something that is hi-fi, you want to make sure that you're not limiting it after purchasing it with junk cables. Tributaries, Claris cabling, considered the best in the industry by all custom integration and hi-fi guys. You can see this is an example of the Series 6, which is a pretty affordable balanced cable. This is what we're going to be using on this project here. We have higher end and lower end options available. Here's the Tributaries 18 gig HDMI cable. Again, we want to make sure that we're passing the full 4x4x4 18 gigabit per second 4K HDR signal. It's essential. If not, if you don't have the correct cabling, you'll see EID, DHCP errors. We don't want that. We want to make sure that every time you fire your system up, it works flawlessly. And having the proper cables in place will ensure that. So you can see right here on the front, it's advertising some of the main features about the product. This is Ultra HD. It does support DTS, 4K, 3D, obviously HDMI, Dolby Vision. This is huge, guys, that it supports Dolby Vision. We got Dolby Audio, obviously, CD, SACD, DVD, Blu-ray, Blu-ray 3D, Ultra HD Blu-ray, MKV, AVI, FLAC, DSD, MP3, JPEG, SMB, USB, XLR. You're not going to see XLR connections on your cheaper Blu-rays, guys. Only on high-end equipment. And then 7.1 analog output. I think that's about it for the exterior of the box. Let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, finally getting into the good part. First thing that you're going to see on top is the user manual. Now, we do have the X200, the more premium model here, but they also make a X100 model. This is the user manual. Also, it's going to have your warranty information. Again, I always say this in our videos. Dreamedia is authorized to sell every single product that we have available nationwide as an authorized dealer. And we want to put the emphasis on that because if you guys are purchasing on the internet, you want to verify that you're purchasing from an authorized reseller. It is essential because say, God forbid, something goes wrong with this high-end equipment, you want to make sure that you're covered under the manufacturer warranty. Here at Dreamedia, if anything goes wrong, you just call on Daniel and our warranty department will make sure to get you fixed up. We want all of our customers to have a 5-star experience, which reflect directly in our reviews if you look us up online. Off here to the side, we have an accessory box. Nice big remote. Check it out, guys. I'm gonna bring this up a little closer to the camera so you can see it. Okay, that is the remote, and we got some batteries included. Looks like they have different connections for different countries depending on where you live. Dreamedia does only ship within the United States at this time. So we're going to be using the United States 110 connection. But yeah, they got it different power cables for different countries in this accessory box. Ready for the weekend. All right, guys, so that's the accessory box. I'm going to continue on to the unit itself. You can see they use tons of padding to make sure that if it does get bumped on the truck that it doesn't get damaged. Now, what's great about this product is it is in stock as well, guys. You know that inventory problems have been a huge problem for everybody in 2021. Hopefully, towards the end of 2022, we can get past that, but as of right now, in-stock items are huge. Zapedi, Reavon, they're doing a great job of keeping inventory levels good. Got a nice little cover on it, and that is the unit. Nice and clean, sleek. We got on the front of the unit our hard buttons for skipping, fast forwarding, play, pause. We got an open button, eject, and power. Not a whole lot to see here. On the back of the unit, we're going to see a LAN connection, just like in this home here. Anytime you have the potential or the opportunity to hardwire a unit, do it. So in this case here, we're going to be running a line from the main demarc location where all the wiring for the house is terminating back to the rack, and then we're going to put in a switch so that he can hardwire every single device and ensure that everything, if you are utilizing like streaming services and things like that, that it works immediately. We don't want to see that spinning wheel of death. HDMI, they have main HDMI, which is going to carry audio and video, and then they have an audio only HDMI. This is going to be utilized in certain circumstances to where like particular models, especially on like the Sonys, they'll want you to take like one HDMI to the projector, and then they'll want you to take one to the amplifier. That's a circumstance where you would need to use that. They got a USB connection. You can put content on that, plug it right in. A coaxial connection, optical connection. Probably not going to be utilizing these because everything's Dolby Atmos now, which we want to pass over HDMI, guys. We got a RS-232, and then balanced XLR connections. Obviously, if you want to kick it old school or you don't have a system that will support XLR, you can do the analog connections, but XLR is going to be one of the big features and upsides to purchasing this unit, so I would strongly recommend that you purchase those XLRs, which, again, guys, we do sell. Moving on, so you're going to actually have right here your front left, your front right, your surround left, surround right, center, subwoofer, surround back left, and surround back right connections. Power, and then your power on and off switch. So that's about a wrap on the unboxing of this ubr-x200 Blu-ray player. If you guys would like to purchase this product, make sure to reach out and show your support. If you have further questions, utilize our free consultation service. My guys are on standby, and they would love to answer all of your questions and make sure that you make an educated buying decision. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have a plethora of content on here to help you guys out with education and all the different options that are available. We have speakers, amplifiers, projectors, screens, every single thing that you need to complete your dream home theater. All right, well, if you liked the video, give me a big thumbs up. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.